Hey there, little explorers! Today we're going on a fantastic journey through the alphabet. Let's sing along and learn all about the letters from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's start with A. A is for apple. A, apple. Can you say that with me? Apple. Now B. B is for ball. B, ball. Bounce the ball and say B, B. Isn't that fun? Next up, C. C is for cat. C, cat. Let's all purr like a little cat. C, can you do it? D is delightful. D is for dog, deaded dog. Let's wag our tails and say dad dog together. E is for elephant. E, elephant. Let's stretch out our arms like big elephant trunks. E, isn't that exciting? Moving on to F. F is for frog. Fifth frog. Let's hop, hop, hop like a frog. Can you do it with me? Frog. G is great. G is for goat. G, goat. Can you make a goat sound? G. H is for hat. Hat. Put on your imaginary hat and say, hat. It looks wonderful on you. I is incredible. I is for ice cream. I, ice cream. Let's pretend to eat a yummy ice cream. E, isn't it tasty? J is for juice. JJ, juice. Let's pretend to drink a glass of juicy juice. JJ, just perfect. K is for kite. KK, kite. Let's fly a kite in the sky. KK, keep it high. L is for lion. Lion. Let's roar like a lion. Lion, hear me roar. M is for monkey. Monkey. Let's jump around like monkeys. That's so much fun. N is for nest. Nest. Let's build a nest with our hands. Nice and cozy. O is for owl. Ooh, owl. Let's hoot like an owl in the night. Ooh, can you do it? P is for pig. Pig. Let's pretend to roll in the mud. Pig, it's playtime. Q is for queen. Q. Queen. Let's wear a crown and beat queens and kings. Q. Quite majestic. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. Let's hop like a rabbit. Race you to the carrot. S is for snake. Snake. Let's slither around like a snake. So sneaky. T is for turtle. Turtle. Let's crawl very slowly. Take your time. U is for umbrella. Ooh, umbrella. Let's open our big umbrella. Ooh, up it goes. V is for violin. Violin. Let's play an imaginary violin. Viv, very musical. W is for whale. WW, whale. Let's swim in the ocean like a whale. Why you watch me splash? X is for xylophone. XX, xylophone. Let's play a tune. XX, xylophone sounds. Y is for yo-yo. Yeah, yo-yo. Let's play with our imaginary yo-yo. Yee, you're doing great. And lastly, Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Let's run like a zebra. Zoom. Wow, we've learned so much today. Thanks for singing the alphabet with me. Keep practicing your letters, and I'll see you next time.